The patented HydroCrimp makes crimping barbed and beaded fittings as easy as 1, 2, 3. The lightweight handheld hydraulic press is very portable and ideal for shop and field operations. The kit comes with a complete set of dies covering hose sizes 6, 8, 10, 12, and reduced barrier hose sizes 6, 8, 10, and 12. The dies snap quickly into the press fixture, requiring no pins or screws. Fast and easy to use. Start by selecting the correct size die set. Remove pin and open yoke. Insert die into yoke. Close yoke and insert pin. Position the hose fitting in the center of the die. Turn the body clockwise until the die is snug against the hose fitting. Back up half a turn. Turn the hydraulic valve to the closed position and pump handle until the die comes to a complete stop. Once the crimp is complete, turn the hydraulic valve to the open position to relieve pressure. Turn the body counterclockwise until the lower yoke is fully recessed. Remove the holding pin, open the yoke, and remove the hose.
As you can see, the crimper does sizes 6 up through 12 in standard and reduced barrier. This particular hose is a standard number 8. So, get our crimper out. Then we're going to determine the appropriate die we need. For this hose, we'll need a number 8 die. So, hose about right there. Tighten up our handle. Hand tight. Close the valve. Alright, then we crimp. This particular crimper works really well. You'll know you're done crimping with this one because the pump has an automatic shut off. You'll pump the handle till it stops. And when it doesn't go any further, you'll know you're done with the crimp. Release the plunger, relieves pressure. Unscrew the pump, pull the lock ring out. Now we have a finished crimp. All right, that one looks good. Now, before we crimp the second one, we want to make sure that we still have the right orientation. And we do, our dots are still lined up. Put it back in. Lock it down, hand tight, valve close and crimp. All right, our hose is crimped. Compressed air, make sure you've got all the debris, material blown out of it. Give it a good wipe down. At this point, you're going to replace any O-rings or seals that you took off to start with. Now we have a completed hose assembly. We've gone from start to finish. We've cut, brazed the ends, and we've actually checked our orientation. That's correct. And then we did the final crimp. Now we have a finished product. With a little bit of practice, you can do these too.